Imagine this for a second. A criminal record just hanging over your life, blocking jobs, maybe where you can live, definitely your peace of mind.
It's heavy.
Right. And you think, man, I need thousands for a lawyer to fix this. But what if the biggest secret they don't tell you is that you can do it yourself for way less?
Welcome to this deep dive from the Legal Gangsta Network. Look, our mission is simple. Give you the real knowledge, the power for a true second chance, especially right here in Houston, Harris County, Texas.
Yeah, we're here to pull back the curtain on some things.
Let's get straight to it. That first secret attorneys aren't exactly shouting from the rooftops.
Yeah.
You absolutely 100% can file to clear your record on your own. It's called doing it pro se. That's P-R-O-S-E.
Pro se. Okay, so like representing yourself, no lawyer required to even start.
Not to start, no. And that rolls right into the second secret, which is all about the money.
Ah, okay. Let's hear it.
Well, look, attorney fees for this, usually somewhere between, say, $1,000, maybe up to $3,000, often around $1,500.
Real. Okay.
But doing it pro se, you might only be looking at a few $100s in court filing fees. That's it.
So, wait. You could save like over $1,000. Easy.
Easily. Sometimes more. And let's be real, lawyers aren't exactly eager to advertise you not needing them. You know, it cuts into their business.
Makes sense. So even with things like Harris County's Fresh Start program, which is good.
Yeah, it is good, but you don't have to wait for a special program or pay those big lawyer fees. The power's already there for you to grab.
Okay. Big savings. But let's break down what you're actually trying to do. Clearing your record in Texas. It's usually one of two things, right?
That's right. You're typically looking at either an expunction or what's called an order of non-disclosure, basically sealing the record.
Expunction?
That sounds serious.
It is. It's the, like the holy grail, really. If the judge grants it, it's like the whole thing. Arrest, charges, case, never even happened. Legally destroyed.
Destroyed, like gone.
Gone. You can legally, truthfully deny it ever occurred in most situations, like job applications. Wow. Okay, who gets that?
Generally, this is for cases that didn't end in a conviction. Think charges dropped, dismissed, maybe a grand jury no-billed it, or you went to trial and were found not guilty. Critically, no formal probation involved usually.
Gotcha. No conviction. What about the other one? Sealing.
Sealing or the order of non-disclosure. That's kind of the next best thing. It doesn't destroy the record, but it hides it. Legally hides it from the public.
So like most employers or landlords checking your background wouldn't see it.
Exactly. They wouldn't see it. But, and this is important, law enforcement, government agencies, licensing boards, they often still can.
Okay. Hidden but not erased. And who's eligible for that usually?
This path is often for folks who successfully finish deferred adjudication, where you complete probation successfully, the case gets dismissed, but it wasn't a straight-up dismissal from the start.
Right, deferred. I know people who've done that.
Yeah. Now, if you had a regular conviction, like guilty plea or verdict, maybe even prison time, expunction or sealing, usually off the table.
Yeah.
Unless something really rare happens, like a full pardon.
Okay, that's clear. Expunction for dismissal, sealing often for deferred. Why is this so crucial, though? Why should people listening really lean into this?
Man, because look at the numbers. Over 9 million people in Texas have some kind of criminal record. 9 million. That's like a scarlet letter holding people back.
Yeah.
It blocks good jobs, safe housing, even education. It doesn't just affect one person. It impacts whole families, generationally sometimes.
Holding folks back.
Exactly. So clearing that record, it removes that stigma. It lets you honestly, truly check no on that box, opens doors that felt welded shut. It's about getting your life back fully. It's restoration.
Restoration. I like that. So if someone's listening and thinking, okay, I want this, I need this second chance, what's the path? You said DIY.
It's a process, yeah. We break it down into 10 steps. And look, it takes some focus, some paperwork, no doubt. But is it doable for somebody determined? Absolutely.
Okay, so what are maybe the first couple of steps someone could take, like today?
Good question. First off, got to check if you're even eligible. There are tools online, like the Clear Your Record Harris County site Harris County provides, that can give you a good idea if your case fits under Texas law.
Check eligibility first. Makes sense. Then what?
Then you got to get your hands on your actual criminal records. Gather the details, case numbers are key, arrest dates, and importantly, what was the final outcome? Dismissal papers, court documents showing that.
Right, get the proof, the paperwork.
Exactly. And third, you can actually download the forms you'll need. Standard Texas forms for expunction or non-disclosure. You can find those on sites like texaslawhelp.org or even check the Harris County District Clerk's website.
Okay, so the info and the forms are out there.
They are. And listen, don't let the whole legal system feel intimidating. These laws, these processes, they're meant to serve you. You have a right, maybe even a God-given right, to that second chance. Don't let fear or worry about lawyer costs stop you from claiming your future.
That's powerful. Okay, so let's recap quick. We pulled back the curtain. You can often clear your Houston record yourself, saving potentially thousands.
And you know the difference now between expunction, gone, and sealing, hidden, and kind of who qualifies. Plus those first steps. Check eligibility, get your records, find the forms.
So if you're ready, if you feel that hope rising and you want to take control, where do they go?
We built the resource. Go straight to legal-gangsta.com. That's legal-gang-ta.gangsta.com.
One more time.
Legal-gangsta.com. All spelled out. There you'll find our full 10-step do-it-yourself guide. We even got video support in there. Plus a quick quiz to help you check eligibility right away.
Use those tools. Start the journey.
Absolutely. Yeah. Now remember, what we share today, it's powerful educational information. It's knowledge. It's not personalized legal advice for your specific situation.
Right. We're empowering you with info, not acting as your lawyer.
Exactly. But this knowledge equips you to make informed decisions, to walk in your authority.
So here's the last thought. Your past. It doesn't get the final say. It doesn't have to define your future. You've carried that weight long enough.
Time to lay it down.
If you qualify, you have a right to that clean slate. And now you know there's a path to pursue it yourself. Just imagine that feeling. Freedom. A truly clean background check. Go claim that second chance.